So this is now one of the most crucial moments in the crypto space for people that are in Bitcoin, for people that hold Ethereum, for people that are just simply invested in blockchain assets, right? And for me, I don't actually feel a drop of fear right now. For me, it's not really that scary right now, and I don't think anyone should be worrying right now. I think the future is still extremely bright for cryptocurrency, and I honestly think we're in a fantastic place. You've only got to zoom out for a few seconds to realize how strong Bitcoin is looking right now versus any historical data we have, regardless of what's happened. We are in the strongest place right now. Crypto is actually consolidating at 60K plus, and it has been over $60,000 for over 200 days. And that's something we've never been able to say before. So yeah, just want to talk about it really. Are we seeing a fake out? Are we dropping back down through to support at 67K? It's always something that you've got to wonder. If you guys also want to get trading crypto with leverage, there's a link down below where you can start with Blowfin. You might get some sign up bonuses with my link as well. No KYC, you can trade from anywhere. It will just take a few clicks, sign up, put a password, put an email, and off you go. You're ready to trade some cryptocurrency with Blowfin. Now, for me, of course, we've got this massive slanting support that we can see here. And to retest it would assume 66.6K. Now, I think a lot of volatility is happening because of the elections itself. And a lot of people do want Trump to win. And I think with Kamala taking that slight lead is making people feel a little bit bearish. But at the end of the day, it doesn't matter which president you have running a country. All of them kind of lead to the same problem, which is still national, more debt and more printing. Doesn't matter which president is leading, everyone is somewhat responsible for printing and more creation of debt. So they're all kind of giving their own pitch, right? They're all just a face. But at the end of the day, does it change anything if this is still happening? Not really, right? The problem is fiat and the destruction of fiat through this hyperinflation and the loss of purchasing power and other things that comes with it. So we would like Trump to win, of course, because he's way more pro-crypto. That's going to be very healthy for the markets. And hopefully that will indeed happen, because I think if Trump does win, we can actually reach the inflation-adjusted all-time high for Bitcoin, which is actually about $80,000. So hitting 74K isn't really a massive milestone when you factor in the inflation that comes with it. You want to be looking at like an 82 to 84K all-time high for Bitcoin before you reach a true inflation-adjusted all-time high. So we've got a lot of consolidation here for Bitcoin. Still sitting at 68K, which is still a fantastic place. Now you can see that Bitcoin dominance has been rising rapidly over the last few weeks here. It bottomed out in the bear market around 39%. So one thing to factorize in, one thing to actually consider now for the future is if Bitcoin dominance does go down to sub 42%, this is a brilliant time to be accumulating Bitcoin. When it goes below that 40% threshold, which is just, in my opinion, right there, or sub 42%, if you do want to be meticulous, you can write that down on a piece of paper. When Bitcoin goes below 42% Bitcoin dominance, then that is a buying area. That is when we were in the depths of Mordor. The bear market was deep, and this is a reflection of true consumer fear and doubt in the markets. And of course, if you remove your emotions and you just made a logical decision then, well, you'd be in a great place. And you can also flip back to 2020, where if Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 75% plus, then usually that's a time to be selling. So this would assume there's a lot of upside potential, considering Bitcoin just entered 59%, and we would still want to see some upside on the Bitcoin dominance before the overall bull market does end. Of course, things are different now. There's more chains, there's more ecosystems, there's more money flowing into different ecosystems. So it's going to change the overall buying behavior of consumers in the market, because maybe they want to now buy meme coins, or maybe they want to now put money on Solana. But overall, we are seeing the rise, and this is a reflection of a core bull run. This is the bull run right here, and if we keep following this path, it should take us through to 2025, midway through, or even further, hopefully, because you can see the last time it happened, the bull run was here, and it did it, consolidated, and it slowly worked down. Now, unless Bitcoin dominance will not get as high as it did last time, maybe it will only get to 60% this time. Maybe it won't get as high as last time because of, like I say, the saturation with other coins and other alternatives out there in the market, taking a market share of the overall value of blockchain. But either way, we're in a good place, guys. We're in a very good place. So Bitcoin has been rejected massively at just below its all-time high. How evil is that for Bitcoin to do that? It was literally $200 away from an all-time high. It just didn't do it. It just didn't get there, guys. How annoying is that? Well, for me, I think, yeah, bad weekly candle, but if we can consolidate here where we are right now at 68, we could have another great weekly candle in 2 weeks' time. So what's the worry? There's nothing to worry about here. I think the markets will be volatile. You can see here a little meme from Quinton, your portfolio when Trump becomes the first pro-crypto president. So we do want Trump to win. It is very integral that Trump does win. But at the end of the day, they all lead to the same inflation. I think just Trump will be so much better on policy side and just, educating more people about it. What about this? What does Kamala Harris think of crypto? 75% of Americans who have heard of cryptocurrencies are not confident in their safety and reliability. So a lot of people are uneducated still in the crypto space. Of course, if you're just looking at your top 10 cryptos and avoiding memes and other sort of degen narratives, I think it's quite a safe place still. So what does Kamala Harris think of crypto? We are not sure. Harris hasn't spoken at all about cryptocurrency, blockchain tech, or NFTs publicly, and the few indirect messages she's sending don't paint a clear picture either. One person you might know is Mark Cuban, blah, 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 blah. But he said Cuban states that Trump is playing the crypto card to win the next election. He probably is. So talking with Politico, Cuban says that Kamala Harris will be far more open to business, artificial intelligence, crypto, and government as a service. Changing the policies changes the message and lets everyone know she is in charge and open, literally, for business. So maybe Kamala won't be as bad as people think. Now, of course, guys, if you are in this space and you want trading signals, you can check out my Patreon down below, where you can unlock a bunch of awesome trading signals and high value opportunities to get early contract addresses, stealth launches, meme coins, whatever it is. In Jacob's Crypto Clan, we've got everything that you'll need. We've now got 31.2k members. Thank you for being part of the clan. And if you want to get the VIP benefits, of course, the Patreon, there's only 5 Crypto Legend slots left at $100 a month. If you don't like it, we will refund you. And Crypto Champion at $60 a month, we've got 7 slots left. So do have a look at it and make sure, if you are someone that is in crypto or looking for a new exchange, Blowfin will help you navigate the crypto space in an anonymous way. You can trade from anywhere in the world with your phone or laptop, and you've got tons of assets that you can trade. You can also enjoy copy trading, where you can copy trade other professionals in the crypto markets and follow their ROIs or their calls if you are busy. But like I say, we've already got that in the Discord. So yeah, guys, link to Blowfin down below, link to Patreon down below, and everything you need is basically just down below. So do have a look at it, and thanks for watching this video. If you made it this far, that's 8 minutes of your day gone. So thank you for giving me that 8 minutes. And if you did make it this far, I'm ever so curious, because I honestly think no one watches these videos. I don't know why, I just feel like it. Just comment down below 8 minutes. That way I know you watched the video. I know I did something maybe right. So yeah, that really helps me also understand. Anyway, see you soon, guys. Peace, stay crypto safe, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Try not to worry.